Hello children, today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Can you see some pictures on the screen? Can you tell me the seasons we wear a particular type of dress? In the first picture, you can see the raincoat and umbrella. Can you tell me the season when we use raincoat and umbrella? You all know that we use raincoat and umbrella during rainy season. You all will be using it now because for us it is rainy season now. Now tell me, when we use sweaters and jackets? When it is cold, that is in winter season. You can see that in the second picture, the child is wearing woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Now tell me, what we will wear when it is hot, that is in summer season? In summer season, we wear cotton clothes and use sunglass and hat. In the third picture, you can see that. Now today we are going to discuss a new topic, different types of clothes we wear. We use cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. They absorb sweat. They allow air to pass through. We use cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. They allow air to pass through. They absorb sweat. T-shirt, tunic, frock, shorts, top, skirt. Which is the cold season? Winter. So we wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. Jacket, woolen pant, sweater, muffler, socks, gloves, caps. We learned that we wear raincoat in rainy season. We do not get wet when we wear raincoat. Sometimes we use gum boots to keep our feet dry. Tell me, what you will wear when you go to school? Can you say the name? Can you say the name of the dress? Uniform. People who do same kind of work wear a special clothes. People who do same kind of work wear a special clothes called uniform. People who do same kind of work wear a special clothes called uniform. Firefighter, policeman, pilot, soldier, nurse, sailor. People living in different places wear different types of clothes. They are called costumes. People living in different places wear different types of clothes. They are called costumes. Punjab, Kashmir, Gujarat, West Bengal. The clothes that dancers and actors wear are called costumes. The clothes that dancers and actors wear are called costumes. Kathak, Manipuri, Bharatanatyam, Kathakali. Materials of clothes. We get wool from the fur on the body of animals like sheep, rabbit and yak. We get wool from the fur on the body of animals like sheep, rabbit and yak. You can see in the picture. We use wool to make sweaters, jackets, mufflers, shawls and other things. In the picture you can see sheep. From the fur of the sheep we will get wool. From the wool we make different types of woolen clothes. The picture of sweater is given there. We get leather from the skin of dead animals. Leather is used to make things like jackets, belts and shoes. Picture of leather items are given: jacket, belt, shoes. We get cotton from the cotton plant. We use cotton to make clothes like frocks, pants and shirts. In the picture you can see cotton plant. From cotton we will get cotton yarn. With cotton yarn we make cotton clothes. With this chapter is over. Next is activity. Activity: stick the following cloth pieces: cotton cloth, silk cloth, woolen cloth. I will show that. You have to stick it in your notebook. Home task is read the textbook 3 times and do the exercise. Now activity is stick the following cloth pieces in your notebook. The cloth pieces are silk cloth, cotton cloth, woolen cloth. Silk cloth, cotton cloth, woolen cloth. I will show you how to do. I am going to stick cotton cloth piece here. This is cotton cloth piece. Like this way you have to stick other cloth pieces. Hope you will do this in your notebook and send it. Children, take your textbook. Chapter 5, the clothes we wear. We can do the exercise. Exercise. First one, fill in the blanks. Use words given in the box. Some words are given. Choose the correct word and write here. Winter, cover, gumboots, wool, cool. First question, clothes dash our body. Clothes dash our body. Clothes cover our body. Clothes cover our body. Pick the correct answer from this box. Cover. Second, we use dash to make sweaters. We use dash to make sweaters. We use wool. We use wool to make sweaters. 3. Cotton clothes keep us dash. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Cotton clothes keep us cool. So write cool here. 4. During dash we wear woolen clothes. During dash we wear woolen clothes. During winter. So write winter. During winter we wear woolen clothes. 5. We were dashed to keep our feet dry. We were dashed to keep our feet dry. We wear gumboots. Right, gumboots. We wear gumboots to keep our feet dry. Next exercise. Complete the flow chart about the clothes we wear in different seasons. Here flow chart. You have to complete this flow chart by writing the clothes that we wear in different seasons. 3 seasons are given: summer, rainy, winter. Write down the clothes that we wear in summer. Frock is given, tunic, t-shirt. Write here tunic, then t-shirt. Rainy season. In rainy season we wear raincoat. Then gumboots. Write raincoat, gumboots. Next, winter. In winter we wear jackets, sweater, muffler. Muffler is already given. Write jackets, sweater. Jackets, sweater. So write like this way in the textbook. Turn the page. Page 22. Mark for a correct statement and wrong for an incorrect statement. You have to mark tick for correct statement and wrong for incorrect statement. First one, cotton clothes keep us warm. Cotton clothes keep us warm. That is wrong. Cotton clothes keep us cool. So that is wrong. So put wrong here. Cotton clothes keep us cool. That is the correct. So here you have to write wrong. Second, this sentence is wrong. Second, we wear a sweater when it rains so that we do not get wet. We wear a sweater when it rains so that we do not get wet. We learned that we wear sweater in winter season. So this statement is wrong. So write wrong in this box. Third one. People who do the same kind of work wear uniform. People who do the same kind of work wear uniforms. This is correct. This statement is correct. So put tick. Fourth one. We get wool from the wool plant. We get wool from the wool plant. The statement is wrong. So write wrong. Fifth one. Leather is used to make jackets, belts and shoes. Leather is used to make jackets, belts and shoes. Correct. So put tick mark. Next one. Match the clothes with the correct box. Here 2 boxes are given. You have to match these clothes with these boxes. In the first box, costume is written. Second, uniform. Here first is, this is uniform. So draw line to this box, uniform. This is costume. Draw line to costume. This is uniform. Draw line here to uniform. This is costume. So draw line to costume. This uniform, I have to draw towards uniform. This is uniform. Draw line to uniform. This is costume. Draw line to costume. This is uniform. Draw line towards uniform. This is costume. Draw line here, costume. Did you understand the exercise? Write in the textbook and notes also, which I will give. Learn this exercise, answer the following. Learn the exercise and question answers. Read the textbook 3 times. With this, our chapter is over. See you soon. Thank you.